Hey, it's Melissa with Homeschooling with Melissa. If you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom of 3. I have a 9-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old, and today we're going over preschool, pre-K curriculum stuff, particularly this Sticker Hero book from Timberdoodle. This Sticker Hero book was sent to me by Timberdoodle for my honest review, and it is in the Timberdoodle PreK Kit. I've actually used this with all 3 of my children. My youngest is using it this year in her PreK Kit, and you can buy it individually from Timberdoodle. So like I mentioned, research does show that preschoolers learn best with individual attention from an adult, and Sticker Hero and Gakken, because they're the publisher, Gakken created the Sticker Hero book for that exact reason. It really balances the activities that are easy to complete, but that require a little bit of guidance from an adult. The learning opportunities in this book are almost endless, and your child can practice decision making and working on their numbers, critical thinking, shapes, colors, math skills, problem solving. And honestly, what I honestly love the absolute most about these Gakken sticker books is just how bright and colorful they are. They really are fun for my child to do because they actually enjoy them. The pages really are engaging. It makes my 3-year-old really enjoy playing with this book and sitting down and adding. So they're adding your numbers. You're learning your numbers. You are learning where to put the treats at. Like, it is a really well thought out book, and it is just bursting with vibrant illustrations of animals, food, children, books, toys, vehicles. There are over 50 stickers in here, and they really captivate your child and my child while improving, their fine motor skills and their spatial reasoning and improving their math skills. I could probably just go on and on, so I will stop. If you have a question for me about this or Timberdoodle, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I will, of course, leave a link to the Sticker Hero and the PreK Timberdoodle kit below for you in case you're interested in either one of those. If you're really into this homeschool review, basically anything like middle school and younger for homeschool reviews, motivation, all that kind of thing, you're going to want to stick around and hit that notification bell down below, that subscribe, whichever one you prefer. Please go ahead and let me know, what grades are you homeschooling this year? What ages are you homeschooling? What are some of the things you're struggling with? Please let me know, because I would love to help where I can. And sometimes, honestly, the only help we can give is just kind of talking to each other. I really want to help promote that community here where we can help each other and really learn from each other. That give and take, learning what helps, what works, tips, tricks. Sometimes it's just motivation, knowing somebody else is also struggling too. That is what started my channel, is that I just needed somebody to also be like, I'm in it too, help, but not have an answer to how to help. So those are the things. You're interested, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.